Welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform an initial setup on your MacBook Air M5. So first of all, you're gonna have to select the language. So select the language from this list. By the way, you have to move 2 fingers upward to scroll up, and downward to scroll upward to scroll down, and downward to scroll up. Select your language, then click next, and after that, in the same way, you're gonna have to select your region. So find your country from this list and select it. Click continue. Then let's click continue once again. And then you'll be able to set up your Mac in different ways. So if you want to set it up as a new device, you can select the last option. You can also restore your data from either another Mac, time machine, or a startup disk if you have a backup disk prepared. You can also transfer data from Windows PC, although I would recommend using this option after you finish your setup. You can also use your iPhone or iPad, which it must be the quickest option for most users that have iPhones or iPads. So if you would like to set up your device as quickly as possible, use the third option. Now I'm gonna set up this device as new so that we go through all the setup steps. So I'm gonna select the fourth option, then click continue, and after that we're gonna have to select the written and spoken languages. So if you want to customize these settings, click right here, then select your preferred languages. If you want to add some, click plus icon. If you want to remove a language, select it and click minus. Then click continue. Then we have to adjust the input sources, so you can just like we did previously, remove or add sources using minus and plus icons respectively. Then the dictation, and then we're gonna have to set up accessibility settings. We can always do this later in settings, but if you need to set up some accessibility settings right now, if you need some visual, motor, hearing, or cognitive support, you can select the category here and proceed with the accessibility settings. If you want to do it later, just click not now and proceed. After that, you're gonna have to select your network from the list. So select the Wi-Fi network that you're gonna be using, click continue, and enter the password to it. Press enter. And wait until your laptop is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Then click continue. And then we're gonna have to set up a Mac account. So this Mac account will be existing separately from your Apple account. This is the owner's account of the MacBook. So here you're gonna have to enter your full name. The account name will be created automatically based on your full name, but if you want to change it, you can do it in here. Then you're gonna have to create a password for your account. So enter the password in this field and confirm it in the second one. Then you can also optionally add a hint. And if you want to allow your account password to be reset using Apple account, make sure to leave this checkbox checked. Then click continue. And after that, you're gonna need to sign in to your Apple account. So if you don't have an Apple account yet, you can create a new Apple account clicking right here and providing your data in the following fields. If you forgot your account's password, go with forgot password option. But first of all, let's enter the email address for our Apple account and press enter. And after that, of course, the password. Then press enter. And then you're gonna have to verify the sign in. So let me quickly do this. I'm gonna exactly doing it with my iPhone. Okay, so on the iPhone I will receive the verification code that I'm gonna have to enter on the keyboard of the MacBook. Then we're gonna have to hit the checkbox next to I have read and agreed to the macOS software license agreement and click agree. And after that, you'll be able to either match settings with the Apple account on your iPhone, or if you want to customize them, click Customize Settings and then select whether you want to enable location services, click Continue. Then the Analytics, if you want to share Mac Analytics with Apple, hit the first checkbox. And then if you want to share crash and usage data with app developers, hit the following checkbox, click Continue once again. Then the screen time, if you want to set it up right now, click Continue, otherwise set it up later. Apple Intelligence, to enable it, click Continue, otherwise click Skip. Then the Siri, if you want to set up Siri right now, you can click Continue, otherwise set up later. Then if you want to set up Touch ID right now, you can click Continue and proceed by pressing your fingertip on the Touch ID, or you can simply start pressing your fingertip on the Touch ID until the pattern is finished, and then click Continue, and your Touch ID will be ready. Then if you want to set up the Apple Pay right now, so that you can make transactions using your Apple Watch, you can click Next, otherwise set up later. Then choose your look, so basically the light mode or the dark mode or the auto changing depending on the time of the day. Click Continue, then click Continue once again, and that's it. Right now the setup is finished, so click Get Started and you'll see your device's desktop. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.